In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio for Salesforce and add the messaging interface to a contact page. We'll walk through the full setup in a clear, practical way so you can follow along inside Salesforce without getting lost. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to Salesforce, access to AppExchange, and the Twilio account details you'll need during configuration. Also, when working with credentials, be careful to keep sensitive account information private and only enter it in the appropriate secure fields. Start by opening Google Chrome, then sign in to Salesforce. Once you're inside your Salesforce org, head over to the AppExchange repository directory portal. This is where Salesforce apps and integrations are distributed, and it's the place you'll use to install the Twilio package into your environment. In AppExchange, search for Twilio for Salesforce. When you find the correct listing, click Get It Now to begin the package installation flow. From here, continue through the package distribution and download process as prompted inside Salesforce. Depending on your org settings, you may be asked to confirm where you want to install it and approve access. Take your time here and review each screen carefully so the package is added to the correct environment. Once the package is installed, move into Setup. In Setup, open the area for name credentials and locate the Twilio API connector configuration entries. This section is important because it's what allows Salesforce to securely communicate with your Twilio account. You'll want to find the existing Twilio-related credential lines created for the integration and open them for editing or verification. Next, paste in your Twilio account SID and an auth token using the values from your Twilio dashboard. Make sure you copy and paste carefully so there are no extra spaces or missing characters. These values are what authenticate the connection between Salesforce and Twilio, so accuracy matters. If something doesn't work later, this is one of the first places you should check. After that, go to the Lightning page editor for the contact page you want to use. From there, drag the Twilio SMS messaging Lightning interface workspace components onto your target contact page canvas. Place the layout boxes where they make the most sense for your users, keeping visibility and ease of access in mind. A clean layout can make the messaging experience much smoother for sales or support teams. Once everything is placed, save your changes and make sure the page is available to the right users. And that's how to install Twilio for Salesforce, configure the connection, and add the SMS messaging workspace to a contact page.